In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to insert current year, month or date with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, its insert date utility can help you quickly insert current month or date with various date formatting with just several clicks in Excel. Select a cell that you want to insert current year, month or day and click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the insert drop-down list and select insert date. In the insert date dialog box, check the using format option and then double click Edit Formatting in the right pane. Now current date is inserted into active cell with the specified date formatting. By default, current date is selected in the calendar in the insert date dialog box. If you need to insert other date, you need to select the date in the calendar firstly. Again, double click the uh, right pane for a date formatting. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.